welcome to come up with your questions. I'll respond to your questions. Actually, this program does not need translation much. Because what will you translate? Shoo, shoo, shoo. That's all you need to hear. And you don't even need to hear. Your being also need to hear. Actually, I'm not talking to you. I'm just saying you get out and I'm talking to me in you. That's the truth. I'm just talking to me in you. And I don't even care about whether you are listening or not. Because who needs to listen? I know how to make him listen. Come to the mic with your questions. Go ahead.
Yeah, Swamiji, I would like to share my stories. Okay, when I know about Swamiji is 1 month ago. Okay, it's introduced by a friend. Then I attend your 2 days review. But the first day, I was having a serious backache. Okay, so when I go, I just accompany. I don't know anything about Swamiji. Then when I was there, I cannot sit on the floor. Then they arranged a chair sitting beside your photo. So when during the procession, I don't understand what are you talking about. The muscle memory, biomemory, I don't understand. But I think the sharing, I know that you can heal people. Then I communicate with you. At that time, my back will heal. So it's a miracle. So I attend the second day. But I don't really understand. But then they asked me to do the completion. So the fourth day, I do the completion, but I don't know. I sign on the spot. I make the full payment without nothing. Because I know that I just leave everything to Swamiji. The main thing I want from you is my health.
Tathast. I'll give you.
And second
I'll
thing,
give you the health more than you expected.
Thank you. And second thing, I face a lot of pressure. I under pressure. But the moment when I sign, the whole body, I feel relaxed. So this, because I need to complete my sales target in November and December. But when I sign, I know that the whole month of December, I cannot make my sales. After I sign, I went back. Then I talked to my son. The next day, because I worried, I cannot make my sales for the next 2 months. I don't know why. The next morning, when every morning I wake up, everything flashed into my mind. You ask me to do everything. You plan for me every day. You come with everything you plan for me. Within the whole month of November, I make the sales. It's a seat that the January until October is a seat. It's triple of the 10-month sales I make in 1 month.
I just want to make only one statement. When you do my work, I do your work. I do it better than you do it.
So what I want here, during the first...
And when I say, when you do my work is also nothing but taking care of you only. I always tell people, whatever you give up for the sake of master, you will have master and what you gave up, both. For whatever reason you give up master, you will neither have master. For what you gave up, that also will not be there. It's the law of life. She was ready to give up her 1 month work or sale or any activity to be with me. She is having me and her health and her sales back, everything. That's all is the law of life.
So when the last moment I want to fly, I did not tell my husband. Because the last day, the last moment, I mean a day before, I just let you know that I'm going for meditation. Say, you crazy? Then I didn't tell him I'm going to 21 days. So I just say I'll go for meditation. He thought that it's 4-5 days, you know. So when he accidentally on the phone, accidentally is overhead, I tell my friend that I'm going for 21 days. He get mad. Then he stopped me from coming on that night. I'm flying the next day. So I just keep quiet.
Then?
So then I don't know what to do. Then because he drove me to KL to take the flight. So that night I arrived late in midnight, 2 o'clock. So she was so angry. He take his bag. He said, I want to go home. Because he said, I want to go home. But I'm so worried because the drive is about 4 hours. Just reach KL, you want to go back Penang because I stay in Penang. So then he take the bags, he take the key, she left. Then I just leave it to Swamiji. I just say, Swamiji, you help me to settle him. Then everything, I don't know anything about you. Or then I don't know anything. I just leave it to you because I see in the 1 month, you help me so much thing that I never planned. I don't know that what to do. I just sign, then everything you did for me. I just do. You flash every day, you flash in my mind. I can see. I know that who I'm going to meet, who I'm going to tell, who I'm going to settle the problem every day. So that's why I believe that. I said, Chamiji, you help to settle my husband. Then my son came out. My son said, Mom, you should tell him earlier. You do it last minute. You see, he's so angry. Then what to do? Then he go and chase the father. He talk. Then I got an SMS. That time, it's 4 o'clock, you know. That time he talk to the father 1 hour. Then I got a message. He said, wow, you spent 50,000 for this meditation? You must be crazy. But I don't know, but he settled. No anger. So during the first 5 days, I did not get any, I don't feel anything. But started from yesterday, I start moving. When I move, then I turn back. So when I wake up, actually I did write on my completion. I say I have backache. Maybe it's caused by my falling last time. I feel, and I have my leg not balanced, short and long. I think different by 1 cm. When that's why I always have a backache. So when turn, and I stand up, I feel that balance. I leg cure.
That's all.
That's all. I hope my sharing can help a lot of people.
Blessings.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Be blissful. I commit with you. When you go back, in January itself, you will have full 1 year, this whole year what you did, whole thing you will do it in January. Blessings. I tell you guys, all this no money, family not allowing, all this, the test I do it to see your intensity. Otherwise, I never, please understand, I never deny anybody access to me due to money or any reason. I use all this just to see your strength. Come on, let me ask, how many people really feel just like her? So many of your problems disappeared and you are here. Everyone look around. That's all. I do not deny access for any reason other than not having seeking or intensity. Sometimes non-seekers, when they come, not only they don't keep quiet, they harass other seekers. You understand? They harass other people. They reduce the intensity of the program. Understand? they do not let me do the whole process. That's the reason. The intensity only need to be tested, nothing else. And turning point for her is that night she decided, when the husband wanted to go back, she decided, let me surrender to Swamiji. That's a turning point for her. You will see now, she will have me, wealth, health, nice family, the whole relationship, all the best things.
The Vedic teachers who sometimes come to Brussels have explained breathing to us, that we alternate our breathing from one nostril to the other during the day, about 40 minutes each, and so on. And so we always breathe with one nostril, except changing over when you go into the Akash, and you breathe with both nostrils at the same time. Up to there, everything is clear. But what is not clear to me is that they say that if you breathe for more than those few minutes or seconds, then you can die.
First thing, for this process, you don't need any specific breathing. So don't worry about it. For this process. And what you need to do regularly, I'll give you some of the breathing techniques later on. And otherwise, the ideas you are having, drop the whole thing. And you don't need to practice any of this alternate breathing and all these things. You understand?
Yes.
This process will create certain unique breathing rhythm in you. That is enough. You yourself don't put any effort to alter these, that, nothing. What needs to be done in you will simply happen in this process. You do not bother about having any specific alternative breathing system. Be relaxed. I liberate you from all spiritual techniques and spiritual practices. Understand? I liberate you from all that. And I am not going to demand any spiritual practice technique from you guys. That is why yesterday I was telling, even the silence I was demanding is only a housekeeping purpose. Understand? If all of you are silent, it will help the others to have a breakthrough. Don't practice anything consciously. Okay. Whatever naturally happens, leave it to happen.
Yes,
that's
thank
all.
You very much.
Yes, come on. I'll answer your questions.
Pranam Swamiji. So my experience has been with these processes that I feel the impossibilities melting away. Yeah. The biggest feeling has been always asking you for things I feel like I should do. And now I feel like I can ask you for what I want to do. And that feels so freeing. It's wonderful. So
that is what Mahadeva is awakening and making you realize that you are doing the whole drama. Yesterday, when Sadashiva uttered that word, let me be awakened and realize that I am doing this whole play, Leela, I saw clearly that experience was going like a mass, a solid object from this body and entering into all the bodies. And usually I don't laugh during the process. I try to keep myself a little balanced. And suddenly when that happened, I could not control the laughter. And
that was my favorite part, by far.
I think everyone had the click with that thought, with that truth, because it was not like an ordinary air. It was like a mass being transmitted, I saw. Like a golden light ball. A melted gold being poured on everyone. I saw that it is becoming part of everyone's muscle memory and biomemory.
So this idea I've held on to for a while now, feeling it was impossible, is to create a I come from LA and there's a lot of traffic and road rage. So I wanted to create a Shiva dashboard doll that would dance as you drive. So I would like Swamiji and Sangha's blessings.
Tatast.
Watch out for my Kickstarter, please.
Tatast. Actually, today morning what I did, I just reminded all your muscle memories without telling anything, just through that mantra. That mantra was the password. Whatever yesterday night has happened, I just opened that same thing without instructing it again, because your muscles does not need a second instruction. I just need to only awaken it. And I also wanted to verify, without even me using the word, is it there as it is, as I put yesterday night in the muscles? It was there. It was there literally in every muscle. That is why it was responding. Every muscle was responding. You can see it's almost like a Leela play game is going on. You don't know what is happening, but you know what is happening. You only know the result, outcome, but you don't know what is happening. Mystery. Mystery of Mahadeva. The intoxication of Mahadeva. Now the healing you will have and the possibilities opening up your muscles only will show you physically the power of this process. Actually, you guys can even pen down like a weight reducing or building muscles as you want. You can pen down all that. All that will start manifesting. Because your muscle memory is more powerful than any action. If I program your muscle memory, that is equivalent to any action. For example, you want to build your body. If you do it on your own weightlifting, gymming, exercise and all that, if it takes 6 months, if I program it into your muscle memory, it may just happen in 2-3 days. It will start expressing. It will start expressing because your muscle memory means based on the programming, your automatically breathing will change, your food intake will happen, and even whatever you intake, that filtering and taking the energy to that part, there is automatic intelligence in you. It is like a 24 hours you will be going through the muscle surgery required. The whole system will function as you want. What you want will be told to your muscle memory with a clear intelligence form of presenting. It is like a IT engineers, consultants, whatever your clients request, how you make it into a program and give it back to them. Software writing, same way, whatever you wrote yesterday, that is your request. And I do it, software program for your muscles, and insert it back, start working, that's all. And the Shiva is the password. And today I just did checking whether the whole software is working properly. And I saw no virus, it's working properly. Do you guys want to write, add? How many of you want? Then please pick it up. Because this is what will be in your mind, and that is what I am going to empower it. All of you understand? Understand the whole science. Today I did the test run, that's all. Again today and tomorrow I am going to work on your muscles. If you guys want, I will give you a few minutes. If you want to alter anything in your paper, because what you write is going to be in your mind. What is going to be in your mind, I will make it into reality. If you want to complete any other pattern or you want to expand any other possibility, you can take out your both papers and pen down.